Hello everybody, my name is Rayyan. I will solve this Rubik's Cube on my own. Let's start. First we need to make the daisy symbol. Okay? To make daisy, we should take the edges. Not the corners, the edges. Okay, first make a daisy, okay? So look at the center, it should be yellow. And the edges should be white. Everything should be white. Okay. Now we should solve Now we solved a white plus and the edges and middle. It should be like a half of line, same colors. Now we will go for the corners. Okay, let's start. Okay, we are almost complete and the corners are done. Just look at the both corners. Only look at the corners, the edge and the middle color. It should be same. No need to look this side, edge. Left edge or right edge. You don't need to look. Only down edge, middle and two corners. First try to solve that. You don't need to look at the left or right edges. Now we will solve the left and right edges. So let's solve. We solved one edge, red and green. Like that, we need to solve for every color. Now we solved orange and blue. Now we are going to solve blue and red, and we solved blue and red. Only green and orange is left. We solved green and orange. So now look at the every edges except the up edge. Okay, so we solved, and the white should be like this. Now if you are getting a line, keep it horizontal, like this, horizontal, and find a middle edge. Now we have a plus. Now we need to solve the plus. Okay. Okay. To solve the plus, we should complete the surface with yellow. Then we should go for the last layer, this third layer. To solve that, you need to find two corners same. If you don't have, just do some move. Now you got two oranges. Now you need to place these to the back. That means it's color. This corner's color, but the edge is different. Now we need to solve that one. So this is the side, and we need to take its opposite side. Opposite. It should be facing us. Now we would get like this. Maybe one side would be solved, but sometimes it wouldn't be solved. So let's solve the cube now. We need to solve the edges. See these edges. You can see, right? One will be solved. Okay, now the entire cube is solved. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. We'll see you again.